Doing a personal box of 2016 Hobby Baseball Topps Chrome. One boxer here for Scott. Scott, fresh case, and let you pick your box. All right, and it starts like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Pick your number. And they'll probably be in my. They'll have clear capsy in mine soon enough, I'm hoping. Hey, what's up, Chad? Chad was getting mad when you guys kept saying to throw the Giants cards. Get. All right, Scott, pick your box, bud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7? All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Alrighty. Good luck, sir. I love pitch black. 2 autos per box, guys. I do have jumbos for sale too, but they're a little bit more. I haven't opened that case yet. It's a single case by itself. When I do personals, guys, I go pack by pack. Build the suspense up a little bit. Yeah, I know, but I only saw it the first time. You guys are, remember, you're on a delay. You're on a delay. Double Herrera out of 150. This kid's a ball player. Yeah, you guys are on like a 20-second delay, so. Let me get all these. I'll remember who gets what. I just want to mix them up. Pack 2. Kevin Kiermaier. Matt Harvey. Yeah, if anyone ever wants boxes, guys, you can always ask me. If I have something I can do, I will. George Springer. Swihart. If I have a lot of something, I'll go ahead and do them if I know I can get rid of them all. Bryce Harper. Purple of Trace Thompson. Number to 250. The Dodgers. There's your first auto. Aaron Nola. Forte Refractor. Goldschmidt X-Fractor. Chada Refractor. If you want, I can open all the packs more, but I like to do it this way, each row. And it builds the suspense a little bit for you. Now, 2-second break. George Bush. Laugh at that every time I say it. All right, Soler. Come on. Let's get Scotty something big here. Severino Refractor. Stripling, number 275. Zach Greinke X-Fractor. Got real quiet in the room all of a sudden. What happened? Brandon Phillips Refractor. Everything got serious now. Corey Seager. Kavius Sampson. That's your second auto. Maybe we'll get a third. I doubt it, but it does happen in hobby. I don't know about Trace Thompson. I'm seeing a lot of them. Escobar. Jonathan Gray does okay. I mean, he's a good pitcher. Upton. Chris Bryant. We got a blue of Evan Longoria. You picked it, man. DeGrom. Now, what box is Scott getting? I'll bring it back up in a second. Hold on. Maeda. Hey, you can still pull your red refractor. First say do. Or a super. Kang, but not this time. Alrighty. Thank you, Scott. Sorry I couldn't get you something huge. Let me write your name on there so I don't screw this up and mix anybody's up. Alright, so we got yours right there. Matt, you want Matt to go next? Alright, Matt, he's giving you the reins. Stop that video and get on to the next.